Model, 2012 Ford Transit T350 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi long MOT needs turbo only. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 124423. MOT, the 11th of May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125ps TDCi-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average due to the turbo being seized. When started it runs perfect, turbo needs replacing, the engine is 100% good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,595. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400